Okay, this is going to be a review video because I just had to try out this product. Also, welcome back everyone. My name is Xochitl. For those of you who are new here, this is kind of out of the norm. We are going to review the Flamin' Hot Cheetos mac and cheese. Finally, I got my hands on these. You can find them at Walmart. So this is a collaboration Flamin' Hot Cheetos did with your, regular good old mac and cheese. And if you didn't know, I am a Hot Cheetos addict. So I had to try. I don't know what my expectations are for these. It can go very bad, but we'll see. I have tried in general regular mac and cheese, like topped with some Hot Cheetos. Sorry if you hear somebody else munching. I guess he knows it's dinner time. Blaze. But this is like kind of like infused in the mac and cheese. So far, you can get this at Walmart. It's like 98 cents. Of course, it's been sold out. I saw it on Amazon and overpaid. Basically, I paid for shipping. So it's like almost $5 on Amazon. So that's what I did, in case you can't wait. But let's go ahead and start making this. And Frankie and I are going to taste test. So we've got our water boiling. And all I'm going to do is like your traditional type of, these are like little ringlets, little mac and cheese. I'm gonna throw that into here. Don't mind my stove if it's not perfectly cleaned. We're gonna go ahead and do that, and simple, regular like mac and cheese instructions. We are going to leave that for about 7 minutes, 7:45, and in case you guys are curious, here is the secret seasoning sauce. So I guess it's just kind of like the cheese, probably the cheese flavor mixed with like that Flamin' Hot Cheeto flavor. So we're just gonna add that. Go for 7 minutes and add our butter and milk, and we can try it. Okay, so I've just gone ahead and drained my noodles. I added 2 tablespoons of butter, and now we're gonna add 1/4, before my noodles melt, cup of milk. And we're gonna mix that, and then we're gonna put the seasoning in there, which, if you can see, is just like, it looks like the Hot Cheetos powder. Like, I wonder if it's a mixture of like the regular cheese powder and the Hot Cheetos, but it just looks like the finest of Hot Cheeto dust, basically. So we're gonna go ahead and mix that. Sorry, I should have been a little bit more formal with y'all. Okay, let's mix in my butter, and we will serve nice and hot. I'm really curious. I hope they have some of that cheesiness in there. Sorry, red lights. Let's do that. Sorry, go through my face. So I'm just gonna stir that, and we'll serve it up. Oh, that smells. Can you smell it? That smells strong. Frankie can't smell anything. Okay. Let's do the taste test. This is what it looks like. It looks like, from afar, it could be like a Hot Cheetos, no?
It's off-putting.
Yeah.
It's off-putting as hell.
It looks like something you'd make for Halloween. Almost looks like Twizzlers.
It looks like licorice, yeah.
Yeah, but the smell is very strong. I feel like I sense a little bit of cheesiness.
No, I can usually pick up spicy.
But you can definitely smell. You can smell like the Hot Cheeto flavor, and like just like smelling it, like my stomach's hurting already. Okay, so ready?
This looks so weird, dude. Were the noodles red already?
No, they're like regular noodles. It was just a powder. Oh, they're spicy. That's spicy.
They taste like Hot Cheetos.
Yeah.
I get the cheese. I feel like, is it just ground up Hot Cheetos?
It's like the finest of Hot Cheeto dust.
Yeah, I think that's exactly what it is. Because it tastes like Hot Cheetos.
Yeah. I do get cheesiness.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's just hard to get into when you're looking at it, right?
Yeah. It's extremely off-putting. Like, I don't know if you can... It almost looks like... I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it almost looks like gelatinous. Mm-hmm. Like neon red. It's... Oh, man. It does taste like Cheetos, though.
Yeah.
Like Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
The smell is strong.
I think there's like 2 other varieties, too.
Are there?
There's like a cheddar and like a jalapeno, I think.
That makes sense. How do you feel about it?
It's not super offensive, but I probably wouldn't buy it again.
No.
I mean, like, taste-wise, I mean, it tastes like Hot Cheetos, which I guess is impressive, but...
For me, I think the smell is what it's getting. It's like a pungent, hot, steamy hot Cheeto smell. It bothers me a little bit. It's weird. But it's not bad. I think... I think if you want to spend $1 and try it out, it's totally worth it. And don't get on Amazon like I did. You're basically paying for shipping. But like Walmart was out and I just had to know. I think if you're a kid, maybe I would be like, Mom, give me the Hot Cheetos. Because the kids like discussing things or like, you know, like this basically like looking at this and mixing it kind of reminded me of, remember when they came out with like green ketchup and like all those different colors? Like,
I was actually about to say, I'm afraid that if anybody ever had the...
I know what you're going to say.
I think it was the Halloween Whopper or the Black Whopper with the black bun. I feel like it's going to be like that. Let me tell you, after I had that Black Whopper, it gave me quite a little surprise in the bathroom. I was kind of worried. So I was pooping like green, like straight green afterwards.
Usually like neon though, no?
I'm pretty sure this is going to do something to my poop too.
TMI. Yeah. I'll keep you
It's
updated.
impressive because it tastes like Cheetos.
Yeah.
Like, I was really skeptical about how they were going to be. But it definitely tastes like Hot Cheetos. I don't know if they should have made it look like Hot Cheetos.
Right. I think, honestly, I'm going to stick to regular mac and cheese and sprinkle Hot Cheeto dusting on top. No? That's my favorite. That's what I like. And then it even said on here for like extra, like double dip. Excuse you. No, you're not getting any. Are you done? They said to do this and basically. Oh, come on, I'm not listening. Somebody wants to make an appearance. But sprinkle the Hot Cheeto dust on it. I'm not about it. It's okay though. It's not bad. I was afraid it was gonna be like a weird taste.
How does one get through a whole bowl of this?
That's why I'm telling you, like, my stomach hurt just smelling it.
It's spicy, it's cheesy.
Made with authentic cheesiness.
But it's really hard to look at.
Yeah, it's weird.
It looks kind of gross, I'm not gonna lie. Doesn't taste like completely gross, but...
No. Like, if I couldn't smell it and I couldn't see it, I'd be like, okay, I'll try this. But that's just weird. I don't need that for my pasta. I prefer crumble. I don't know, yeah.
Yeah, I think the crumble's the best. Like, bake it, right?
I just want like a little bit of spice seasoning thrown into my mac and cheese. I don't need it as a sauce. That's just weird. Or I don't know. Maybe if it was like a drizzle of it. Like, you know, if it was like a, you know how you have like tapatio or like hot sauce you can drizzle, but like hot Cheeto flavor hot sauce, maybe. Ooh, that'd be interesting for huevos. Heard it here first. Yeah. But, okay, verdict. We would not buy this again.
It's just weird to look at. It's
yeah.
hard. It's off-putting. It looks gross.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste gross. It tastes like Cheetos.
Yeah. I think if you have kids, let them try it out. Don't let them eat the whole bowl. We know what that's like. But yeah, in case you were curious, this is what it is. I'm gonna stick to my regular Hot Cheetos crushed on top of my mac and cheese. But if you gotta know, you gotta know. In case you guys are curious, hopefully this was helpful. If you guys try it, let me know. Did you eat the whole bowl? Did you have any surprises later in the toilet? Should we do updates? Instagram update? Not of actual.
Did you try any one of the other varieties?
Oh, yeah. Ooh, what color is the jalapeno one?
I don't know.
Green?
I hope not.
I could see that. Hopefully like parsley flake green.
Okay, that's enough for me.
Yeah, I think. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed our review. Let me know if you guys tried it or not. If you're going to save your dollar or, you know, because there's nothing else to do around here these days. You're going to try it as well, I guess. All right. Dog wants attention.
I think he's hungry.
He just ate. All right. We'll see you guys on to the next video, next review. What should we review next?
I don't know. Maybe one that doesn't look so weird?
Yeah, we're going to do something a little bit more normal. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.